Hello, origami enthusiasts! My name is Sigourney, and I am the Origami Llama. Thank you so much for joining me today. Alright everybody, today's episode is going to be a little bit different. As you can see, I'm not in my usual workspace. We're working a little bit bigger this time. Let me just start off by telling you the legend, the Green Bay, Wisconsin legend of the Lucky Llama. Well, our former mayor, Jim Schmidt, back in 2015, started this tradition of walking a real-life llama across our Main Street bridge. He termed it the Lucky Llama, and anybody who came out and saw the llama walk across the bridge was supposed to have good luck for all of the rest of that year, or the new year. Well, our Lucky Llama, by the name of Abstract, died at age 24 in 2018, and since then, well, it's all been downhill, hasn't it? But I have been making efforts each year to carry on the tradition in some form or another, and I have been folding these great big origami versions. Now, this design is by Mark Vigo, one of my favorites, of course. He's just a spectacular origami artist, and this llama design is absolutely one of my favorites of his. And I do them all different colors. This guy's rainbow, but I do all sorts of different patterns each year. But I've only folded a few at a time. This year, I've gone a little bit above and beyond. You can probably see right there that yellow binder. It is chock full of llama designs I previously knew from, say, Kaneko Kasahara and Mark Vigo, obviously, and a whole bunch of others, John Mondrell. But I've collected a whole bunch more this year from artists all over the world, and I would like to fold them up and march them in a socially distanced and masked display of luck and lamitude on our Main Street Bridge this year. It's usually just a small collection of friends, but I am hoping a few more people come out this year. But we'll see. It does get awfully cold. Anyhow, so how I make these guys. You can see that roll on the floor there. It is a 6-foot roll of construction paper I got from Menards. Menards is a hardware place in the Midwest for those of you lovely internationals. And also for any internationals watching my channel, it is approximately 2 meters in length. And yes, I just cut out the squares, measure it up, and get to folding large scale. And it's tons of fun to fold. So I will kind of speed through the process for you, as I don't have permission to actually teach these models to anybody. So you'll just be seeing a sped up version of me creating them. But yes, as I said, they're lots of fun to fold and even more fun to paint. And hopefully there will be somewhat of a turnout this year. I would really love to see some of my local friends. But anyway, let's get down to business. there we have it. That is Mark Vigo's llama, and I will post more as I fold more, but that is the start to our New Year llama extravaganza here in Green Bay. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you enjoyed this content, please give it a like and consider subscribing. Tell your friends, give it a share, and hopefully I will see you guys next time. Thanks again. Bye now.